All right, guys, the garden is finally done. We've used some old boards from the deck when the tree fell on it to sturdy up our fence. Now it's pressure treated, so it should last a lot longer. We did some trimming of the fence so that it can actually trim up against the boards. Now we're just using regular staples. All the boxes are tore out. We tilled up one area. Today we're going to till up the rest and see how it goes. The only area that we're not going to be able to till is over here where I have lettuce and carrots, and the peas aren't doing so hot because we were going to redo this. I didn't put up a trellis, so we'll see. But when I put these in, when I put the carrots and lettuce in, at that time the plan was to just rebuild the existing boxes, but since the cost of wood is through the roof right now, it's about 18 bucks for a 2x8, and that's just not cost effective. So we've got a rototiller and we're going to till all this up and just make a big, like 16 by 24 garden area. So let's get to work. Not yet in its finished state, but looks pretty good. Couple hiccups, not as rocky as I thought it was, but we hit a lot of tree roots. So this tree, your days are numbered. But we got it all done. This soil's super black because that was mushroom soil that we used. The rest was topsoil with some compost, so it's not as good. Couldn't do over here. We kept the peas in place and the lettuce and carrots, so we'll just deal with that in the fall. So we're gonna go ahead and rake this out and smooth it over. All right, we got this all raked out now, so it looks pretty good. And now it's planting time, finally. Don't mind the mess, but the garden is done. Everything's planted up for now that we can. And pretty soon we'll pull the lettuce out, get the trellises up, and put the beans in.
If you're looking for a game-changing tool that you can use to make planting in your garden easier, check out this video here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.